Our first stop in Paso Robles and on our Pacific Northwest trip, which is going to take about 3 weeks, is at the Barton Family Vineyards on West 46th Street. And we're going to the distillery part. We think, we haven't been here before, but they're starting to open a distillery trail here in Paso, and this is called Grain and Vine. And so we're going to see what they have in the way of whiskey here. Well, Kate, where are we?
We are coming into Paso Robles, looking for the exit, which is exit 228, going toward Cambria, so 46 West, and
we're looking for a place. We're so used to visiting wineries in this area. We're looking for a distillery, which I think is also a winery. Some of them are. They're dual. This one is called Grain and Vine. And we wanted to go to Refined, but it's closed Monday and Tuesday, and this is a Monday. So we had to go with what's open. This one might be fun. It's supposed to have rye whiskey and bourbon along with gin, so we'll check it out.
Anybody that's interested, this is kind of the new thing up here, apparently, that there is a distillery trail now, in addition to a wine trail.
Yeah, we discovered that looking ahead to Portland, where we're headed, that they're famous for their breweries, craft breweries, but now they've got a distillery trail too, right in the city of Portland. So distilleries are becoming the new winery brewery thing, and we'll try this one out and see. Okay, we are now turning on to West 46. West and East 46 are really separate. West 46 is south of Paso, and East 46 is north of Paso, or right at the tip of the north part of Paso. So there's lots of wineries out 46 each direction. This one heads toward the ocean and toward Cambria, which is right on the ocean. So we've got about 2.5 miles to go to the winery. We're passing some of our favorite wineries on this road. We went past Summerwood and Beachy Canyon and Castoro, Zeneda, and
here is Tooth and Nail, which is a really pretty winery.
Well, and we used to belong to
Grey Wolf. Isn't this Grey Wolf up here?
Yeah, but this is where we're going.
Well, after a little mishap and a U-turn, we are finally here, and here it looks like it's it, I think.
See, what we didn't realize, I remember reading this before, is that Grain and Vine, or Grain and Wine, is part of the Barton Family Vineyards. So this is the Barton Family Vineyards, but they also have this separate distillery that runs.
Okay.
So this is actually Grey Wolf, which is the name that the Barton family gave to their winery years ago. We used to come here many years ago, and now there's a distillery in the back called Grain and Vine. Okay, let's move around here. Cool.